Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the trend focus indicator for MT4. This advanced trend following tool uses noise reducing and signal processing algorithms built from electrical engineering to minimize lag and provide clearer trend direction compared to traditional moving averages. In this video, you will see how the trend focus works, how it compares to moving averages, and which trading strategies are described. The trend focus indicator is specifically designed to highlight the dominant trend direction and reduce the noise typically present in price action, incorporating signal processing algorithms commonly used in electrical engineering into its code. It can serve as a filter for trend direction to trade in the direction of the underlying trend, reducing lag and filtering out market noise more effectively than traditional moving averages. The indicator does not repaint, making it reliable for backtesting and live trading, and it organizes price data to show market trends even when the charts look clustered. We already have the indicator installed on our chart, as you can see. It doesn't appear in a separate window, it appears directly on the chart. And on the chart, the trend focus indicator displays as a line that changes color based on trend direction, typically showing bullish alerts more earlier than standard moving average crossovers. By helping traders join trends early with less lag, the indicator provides a significant edge in capturing a higher percentage of major moves from near the beginning. It also helps minimize losses by providing earlier exit signals when trends begin to reverse or lose momentum. Alright, let's take a look at some of the settings, inputs. Alright, so as you can see, we can adjust the period, the alerts. You can see we have various alert options, and then the sound file as well. You can also choose your preferred colors, as you can see, based on your preferences, and also your preferred time frames as well. As for who is for, the trend focus indicator is suitable for traders who want to eliminate the lag problem of traditional moving averages while maintaining smooth trend identification across any currency pair, any markets, and any time frame. Day traders and scalpers can use it in combination with momentum oscillators to find superb trade setups using both trend and momentum factors for confirmation. Swing traders and position traders can combine it with candlestick pattern detection to identify high probability reversal points in the direction of the dominant trend. You can download the trend focus indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how incorporating electrical engineering algorithms can drastically reduce lag and improve profitability compared to traditional moving averages. If you like advanced trend following tools with minimal lag and non-repainting behavior, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.